Hello, I am going to tell you how to install my application Employer Zone. First of all, go to codecanyon.net and download the application. Once you download the application, it will give you a license code. The license code will be used to provide support to you. And if you don't have the license code, so I cannot help you anymore. So once you download the file, I have downloaded in my desktop, extract it to the server. Now you can have any server, like in my localhost I am using WAMP server, so you can use WAMP, MAMP or SAM server. So first of all, we have to check some of the things which are needed or necessary for my application. The first thing is, I'm opening my documentation. What are the prerequisites for installation this application? The first thing is, it is designed in Laravel 4 framework, so you should have PHP 5.4 or greater than 5.4 version. So if you don't have 5.4 version, then please upgrade your PHP. And the second thing, you should have enabled mcrypt PHP extension. So where can you check the mcrypt PHP extension? Just open the PHP info, which is localhost slash php info.php, and search for mcrypt string. So mcrypt script is enabled here, so both the things are correct. My PHP version is 5.5.12, which is greater than 5.4. Second thing, now extract this to your WAMP server, and here in my case I have extracted it in WAMP www laravel /ez folder. Now how can I access this root, which is WAMP www laravel /ez? The first option is, either I can open it by localhost slash laravel /ez slash index.php, but when I open it by this route, few things are not working, like logo is not visible, or when I submit the form it will create an error. So the best thing is, create a virtual host, and you can check how to create a virtual host in my next video. Easy tutorial is designed only for my customers. So when you create a a virtual host, in my case I have named my virtual host EZ. Just open it by typing EZ, and if you get this login page, that means all the files are placed in correct form. Now to install this application, just move to ez/install. Now this is asking for some information like the host name, MySQL username, MySQL password, MySQL database username, password, and email. So you must have create a database. So let's create a database, and suppose I, just a minute, I'm logging in into my PHP myadmin, and now creating a database named employer zone, and the collation should be utf8 underscore unicode underscore ci, because it can save the unicode data. Now when you created the database, copy this database name and enter the database name here. Host name is localhost, MySQL username is root, MySQL password is 1234. If you don't set up MySQL database password, then you can leave it blank. Next, enter the username which you want to use for this application. Suppose this is admin, and the password, suppose admin, and email ID which will be used when you forget the password. And now everything is filled up, and now click on the install. it will take little bit time depending on your server configuration. Now if you get the login page, it means you have successfully installed, and if there is any error, then you will redirect it to this install page. Okay, so just wait for the response from the server, and I think it will be installed successfully. Yes, now it is asking for login, and I have set the username as admin and password as admin. Now login. Now when you first time logged in, you will be permission of administrator, but you can check that you are getting only three options. The first is dashboard, second is attendance, and third is configuration. So move to configuration. Now you have to save permission for administrator, and administrator can do everything, so just start checking everything to administrator permission. There are so many options, and everything should be accessible by the administrator. By default there are three types of permission. First is administrator, second is manager, and third is user. So admin can access everything, manager can access something, and user can access limited thing. Okay, so once save, you will get every option listed here, and if you get everything okay, it means you have successfully installed this application. So I think it is very easy to install, and the same process which I have used in my local host, same process should be followed in the live web server, and I don't think you will face any problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.